Hey everyone, Tim Simpson here from News Channel 3. Just a brief weather update here on WREG.com and also on Facebook Live. We just need to make sure that we are live on Facebook here. If we can, give me the okay on that. But we've got cloudy skies right now, so mild temperatures, as a matter of fact, across the Memphis and Mid-South area. And we're doing this update because we want you to know what's coming down the pike for tomorrow. We've got a pretty big storm system coming in. You would know that by what we're seeing at the moment, but nonetheless, we've got cloudy skies, mild temperatures, and some gusty winds today. Tomorrow we'll add some rainfall to that and some thunderstorms and the potential for some severe weather here across the area. This is our shot looking back toward the Big River crossing, cloudy skies here, and we've got a pretty active jet stream pattern setting up over the next several days as we're going to cool down dramatically, getting closer to the weekend. We'll say goodbye to the 70s at least for now, and then some big changes, as I mentioned, getting into the weekend. Temperatures right now, check it out. 72 degrees Millington, 70 Dyersburg, 67 Jonesboro, 73 degrees down in Clarksdale, Mississippi. Oxford has 72. We're going to check in on Facebook in just a few moments, check out some of your comments, give a few moments for things to populate here, and we'll check back in on some comments in a few moments. Right now, I'm going to step over to the big wall, if you can follow me over there, and we're going to be talking some other temperatures here as we go. There we go. A News Channel 3 studio here. Lots of room. We could host a tennis tournament in here. This place is so big. But right now in Memphis, our current temperature is 72 degrees, and we have southwesterly winds at 21 miles per hour. There's a wind advisory in effect right now. You're going to have some winds tomorrow that could top out 45, 50 miles per hour. So the wind advisory is going to continue for tonight into tomorrow through about 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, you need to prepare for the rain, not just the rain, but you need to prepare for some thunderstorms that are coming in as well. This is what we're dealing with as far as the severe risk. Earlier today, it was a slight risk, but just before noontime today, that was actually upgraded to an enhanced risk. So you've got this enhanced risk of severe weather, basically Memphis, Dyersburg, Bolivar, Corinth, Tupelo, Batesville, Mississippi, really most all of the News Channel 3 viewing area. And what can we look forward to? Or what are the greatest risks? Greatest risk right now are high winds. We could have damaging winds. And that, plus the fact that we had the ice storm a couple of weeks ago, you've already got weakened trees from carrying the weight of so much ice. You've got weakened tree branches. Most likely, we're going to have some type of power outages with the kind of wind that we're going to have tonight and into tomorrow. So be on the alert for that. Also, not just that, but there's a risk for some large hail, even some isolated tornadoes, a risk for tomorrow as well as this storm system pushes in. So enhanced risk for storms, damaging winds, large hail, along with some isolated tornadoes. Those are the three top risks that we face for tomorrow. So that being said, here's what you need to know. We just always go over these. The tornado watch over here, the tornado watch. That means conditions are favorable for tornadoes to develop. And also we have the tornado warning, which means that we do have tornadoes. Of course, we get into that tornado emergency, then we're just, it's not a good thing. Hopefully we'll not be at that level for tomorrow, but nonetheless, we want to make sure that you and your family are safe and that you know exactly what to do if and when severe weather threatens. Let's zoom in and let me show you Storm Tracker 3S weather radar. Crossing Mid-South right now, no problems at all. We've got cloud cover. We have got no rainfall to speak of at the moment. That's going to be changing, though, by tomorrow night. Actually, excuse me, tonight into tomorrow morning as this storm system back to the west develops. This is really not that spectacular at the moment, but later on this evening, somewhere between Dallas and up toward Oklahoma City, you're going to start seeing a pretty well-defined line of storms that will be taking place. And as this whole storm system pushes eastward, that severe weather threat for tonight shifts eastward tomorrow across Memphis and the Mid-South. So showers and thunderstorms for especially starting midday tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon. And then by Friday, it's just downright cold. Those gusty southerly winds that we pick up tomorrow, they're going to be shifting to the northwest late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and you're not going to like where these temperatures are going, that's for sure. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, let me kind of step you through what to expect. A few showers are possible. Temperatures are in the 60s. We at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Now we're dealing with a few more hit and miss showers and thunderstorms, with really more of the main event coming along the Mississippi River around 12 noon tomorrow. You can see these very strong and gusty southwesterly winds. Cold front is easy to pick out as well. See these winds coming in from the north right along that frontal boundary as it pushes toward Forest City and Blytheville. It starts pushing toward Memphis right around 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon with a temperature at 70 degrees. These storms push to the east with some of the heavier rainfall across areas of northeast Mississippi, pushing over toward the Nashville area, the Tennessee River area, and then by 4 o'clock, almost this time tomorrow afternoon, temperatures in the 30s and 40s. Can you imagine that? Been in the mid 70s today. We're talking temperatures in the 30s and 40s tomorrow afternoon, and then we hit Friday morning and temperatures are in the 20s. Now, let me show you a different model here. This model actually has a little bit different timing on everything. This is getting into tomorrow at 10:30 tomorrow morning, temps in the 60s. This is taking more precipitation at 10 or 10:30 to the north of us, and then by tomorrow afternoon, you're seeing more widely scattered storms here across the area, with really these storms flourishing once they push across areas of northeast Mississippi into northwestern Alabama. So really two different scenarios that could play out for tomorrow. It all depends on how much rain we pick up tomorrow morning, how much the atmosphere stabilizes or does not destabilize. Then we would have more activity getting into tomorrow afternoon. Rainfall amounts here, about an inch possible through the Memphis area. Other areas about half an inch of rainfall. So be on the alert for that as well. These storms are going to produce some hefty amounts of rain. For tonight, showers, some storms possible, 61 degrees for the overnight low temperature. And then we hit our 7-day forecast. Facebook Live, WREG.com. This is for you guys. Showers, thunderstorms for tomorrow, 90% rain chance as we look at the high temperature of 72 degrees. 43 on Friday, 57 on Saturday. Temperatures warming back into the 60s as we hit Sunday into Monday, low 70s by Tuesday. Another chance of showers and thunderstorms. Overnight low temps are going to be in the 40s and 50s, and they'll drop back into the 30s next week with the passage of yet another cold front. So that's kind of how things are shaking out on that particular forecast. Let me go back over here to the other perch, if you will, and as we do that, we'll kind of keep you up to date on what's happening here. I'm looking to see if I can see any comments in the room at this point. We've had some internet issues here in the studio, so I'm not able to really see what comments are there. Matter of fact, yeah, there's some. Keep it right there real quick. Let's see here. We've got Faze in the room. Phyllis is here. Watch will be issued, says Phyllis. Allergies. Yeah, allergies are messing Phyllis up. Let's see. We've got, I see a lot of Faye and Phyllis here. There's Cammie. Yep, making a comment on the allergies. It's about all the comments that I'm able to see here, unless Stuart can scroll back up a little bit. There's some. I think he was just mentioning the types of tornado situations, watch, warning, emergency. There's currently not a watch anywhere in the viewing area. Mackenzie Davis points that out. Mackenzie, you are exactly right. Right now, there's no watch in the area, but there will be tomorrow. Emergency, well, we get emergency rings on your phones. If there are notifications that go out and you're set up for that, you should get your notifications. So tornado watch where? Nowhere yet. This is all playing out as we get into tomorrow. Tomorrow is the concern once again for severe weather and tornadoes in particular. So we want to make sure that you are up to date and you know what's going on. As a matter of fact, real quick before I leave you, I want to go ahead and pop up that severe weather risk one more time. We are in the enhanced risk for tomorrow as we look at storms that will produce some damaging winds and the potential for some isolated tornadoes. So please be alert. That's why we're here on Facebook Live this afternoon I'm sorry, say again? Okay, question just coming in from my director. Do I predict power outages? As I mentioned just at the very beginning of the Facebook Live, yeah, there is a chance we could see power outages. And the reason for that is the ice storm that we had a couple of weeks ago. There's just so much additional weight on some of these trees, and maybe some trees or branches that didn't come down in that particular situation could be brought down by winds tomorrow that could top 50 miles per hour. And with some of these thunderstorms, if they go severe, you could have winds over 60 miles per hour. So that's what we're dealing with throughout the day tomorrow, is a severe weather risk and enhanced risk across the Mid-South. All right, we're here to keep you updated on News Channel 3, first at 4, 4:30, 5, 6, and then Jim Jaggers will be here tonight at 10 o'clock. Todd Demers, Windy Nations will be here tomorrow morning to help keep you updated on this situation as well. So keep a check on Facebook. keep a check on WREG.com, and we'll continue to keep you updated on this severe weather threat that we're facing for tomorrow. If severe weather breaks out, you know we'll break in. Keep it right here on News Channel 3.